la shane zamling chembo di ngala te so ni zo ya pu pang khala nya so cham yon da te wa di apala kinang so
Welcome each one of you to the much-awaited TCV School Chauntra 17th Inter-House Athletic Meet 2023. The gratitude of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, the manifestation of our Lokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva of compassion, the spiritual leader of Tibet, and the beloved global icon of peace and compassion, is not just confined to Tibet and us Tibetans. Rather, it is bestowed upon we, the students and staff members of TCV School Chauntra, cordially welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Sub-Divisional Magistrate Jokindanagar HP Shri Krishna Kumar Sharma, Guest of Honor TCV School President, Head Office Dharamsala, Mr. Sunam Sijula, and other distinguished dignitaries and public who have come here to witness this annual sports event 2023. This great momentous day, we have first of all the House Voice March Past. At the very front of the march past, we have the Tibetan and the Indian national flags carried by Master Pem Sonamla and Master Sonamangila. The Tibetan and the Indian national flags symbolize the deep-rooted friendship between India and Tibet for many thousand years, and they represent truth, peace, faith, prosperity, and unity. Then we have the march past of the 17 students carrying 17 flags of TCV School Chauntra, symbolizing the 17th Inter-House Athletic Meet. Then we have the house-wise march past. This year, we have 55 to 60 students each in each house participating in the house-wise march past. The order of the march past of the houses are as per the occurrence of last year's march past position. The yellow color represents Songsan House. The house masters are Mr. Pinsi Pai. Next we have the school band led by Master Sirinka Sheila, and the main coordinator of the school band is our school music teacher, Mr. Tenzin Shenpenla. The blue pillar represents Tisong House. The house masters are Mr. Kyasa Wangela and Mr. Ichwisukela. Captain Master Kinzi Tundogla and Mr.
Kino Honsai Gawa Tamje Chamber, Sibo Cho, Gawe Kadin Jedenda, Gawa Gave Chudin do Chauntra Pukim Lake, Kanzen Abu Baki, Yujo Pesum Teden, Kap Chubdembe, Tola Kundun So, Shri Krishna Kumar Sharma Cho, Honorable SDM Joginder Nagar, Mixe Kunde, Pukim Tonzi, Gefunum Tijula Cho, Kamne Gendir Gede, Nandu Teme Ge Zomia Tom Lembege, Di Teme Ge Tuje Kechimuchik, Mazulabda Nam Kudi Shubi Hare, Di Shuegi Gurim Tevadi, Labdege, Tiri Tokjo, Toto Tuevege, Hamde Gala Nambada, Dina Shinge, Labde Luze Gala, Mundele, Tadi Cheche, Cheshi Tinche, Tondu Toche, Antale Nibu Nishuta Sunge, Leshi Dik, Namu Kandechin.
TCV school, Chauntra open.
Thank you, sir.
I pray first of all my regards, my salutations to the Holy Dalai Lama. Let He bless all of you to achieve your goals and objectives. I am very much impressed with your slogans, the global slogans itself. And it's, I think, very important that you are linking your goals at this village school at Chauntra with the global goals. The local is getting mixed with the global. That is very huge achievement, and I congratulate all of you for this. I do feel privileged to be here, and I
Sit.